Step-by-step guide how to get job in Germany from other countries. 1. Check your eligibility. Before applying, make sure you meet Germany's basic requirements for foreign workers. You have recognized qualifications, degree, diploma, or vocational training. You have work experience in your field. You have German or English language skills, depending on the job. Your profession is in demand in Germany, e.g., healthcare, engineering, skilled trades. 2. Get your qualifications recognized. If your diploma or training was earned outside Germany, visit Info-Anerkennung-in-Deutschland. Apply for recognition, Anerkennung of your foreign qualifications. This step is mandatory for regulated professions, e.g., nurses, teachers, doctors, for others. It boosts your chances of being hired. 3. Search for jobs online. Use trusted German job portals such as Make It in Germany, Yours, Indeed.de, Stepstone.de, LinkedIn, Glassdoor.de. Tip: apply directly to German employers that sponsor foreign workers. 4. Prepare German-style application documents. Your application should include Lebenslauf Curriculum Vitae concise, 1 to 2 pages, no photo unless requested. Anschreiben cover letter, explain why you fit the job. Certificates and diplomas, translated into German or English. Language certificates, if available. 5. Apply for a visa. Once you receive a job offer, apply for a work visa or AL Blue Card at the German embassy/consulate in your country. AL Blue Card, for university graduates earning at least €45,300 per year, 2025 threshold. Work visa for qualified professionals, for vocational or skilled workers. If you don't yet have a job, you can apply for a job seeker visa, valid up to 6 months. You must show funds to support yourself while in Germany. 6. Move to Germany and register. Once your visa is approved, travel to Germany. Register your address Anmeldung at the local Bürgeramt. Get your residence permit at the Ausländerbehörde Foreigners Office. 7. Learn German. Even if your job is in English, German skills help immensely for daily life and career growth. Aim for at least B1 level, intermediate. Free courses are often available through integration programs. 8. Alternative path. Chancenkarte Opportunity Card. If you don't yet have a job offer, you may apply for the Chancenkarte, points-based opportunity card, to enter Germany and look for a job directly. You earn points based on education, work experience, language skills, age, connection to Germany. Minimum 6 points required. If you are qualified and willing to come, apply now. Thank you for watching till the end. Comment, like, and share.